How to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. So if you want to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply make sure that you've turned on the sync. You need to open up your Play Store, make sure that you've logged into your account. After that, go back and you need to open up your Play Games. After that, after opening your Play Games, you need to go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then tap on Settings. Under Settings here, you will have an option of automatically play games, or you will have automatically sign in to supported games option. So you just need simply go and turn that on. If you have that option, go and toggle it on. If you toggle that on, then that feature ensures that every time you launch your Google Play Games compatible game, it magically syncs with your account. This makes switching accounts or devices easily possible. So you just need to simply go with privacy and profile, and under that you can go and automatically sign into supported games option. Here you will have that option, go and toggle it on, and that's it. And after that it will transfer all of your Google Play Games data into your Game Center. It will sync your account. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.